Hello guys. Now see some question from revision exercise. First even state whether the following statement are true or false. 0 is the multiplicative inverse of 0. No, it is the wrong because 0 has no multiplicative inverse. Subtraction of rational number is distributive over division. No, it is also false. All rational number obey the closure property for division. No, not obey the closure property for division because all rational number obey closure property for division. It is not hold because see here one example, 1 divided by 0. It is not defined, so it is not contain a rational number. So closure property here given closure property of rational number cannot hold for division. Now minus 1 by 25 is the multiplicative inverse of 25. No, minus 1 by 25 its multiplicative inverse of this number is equal to 1 divided by itself the number minus 1 by 25 is equal to 1 into minus 25 by 1, that is coming minus 25, but here is given 25, so it is wrong or false. Now guys, second question, fill in the blanks. That you can do. See some questions which is some difficult. Represent the following rational number on number line. 6 question C. Question number 6. Represent minus 12 by 6. Minus 12 by 6 on the number line. So 12 minus 12 by 5 is equal to minus 2 whole 2 upon 5. This is the mixed fraction. This is the whole numbers, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Now draw the number line. In middle 0, right side positive number 1, 2, 3 at equal distance, left side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. See what this is a number less than minus 3, no, greater than minus 3 and less than minus 2. It means this rational number, negative rational number, minus 12 by 5 lie between minus 3 and minus 2. This division divide into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, and take 2 parts as equal to numerator. Hence, this point represents minus 2 whole 2 upon 5, that is minus 12 by 5. Next is find 10 rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 using equivalent rational numbers. So see this question boys. Find 10 rational number between 3 by 2 and 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Question number 7. 10 rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 3 by 4. So, convert into equivalent fraction 2 by 3, LCM of 3 and 4, 12. Then 12 is new denominator. This divided by 3, 4 coming 2 into 4 is equal to 8 upon 12. Second 3 upon 4 is equal to, new denominator is 12. 12 divided by 4 and quotient multiply with 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 by 12. You have to find 10 decimal number, but here see after if you writing it 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. You cannot get any integers between 8 and 9. So you cannot find required number of rational number. Change this equivalent rational number in bigger equivalent rational number. That is multiply by 10 up and down. That becomes 8 by 12 into 10 with numerator. 10 multiply by numerator and 10 with denominator. That is 80 by 120, and this number 9 by 12 multiply by 10 with 9 and 10 multiply by 12, 90 by 120. 9 count 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 9 only get. Then you multiply by 5 again, 80 by 120 multiply by 2 only, 2, that is coming with numerator and denominator 160, 240, this is equal to 90 multiply by 2, 120 multiply by 2, 180 and 240. Now count the rational number between them, that is 160 by 240, that is 161 by 240, 162 by 240, 163 by 240, 164 by 240, 165 by 240, 166 by 240, 167 by 240, 168 by 240, 169 by 240, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 170 by 260, 240, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. You can find 180 by 240. This way, if there is here C was, here no any integer coming between numerator of 8, numerator of equivalent fraction. After 8, 9 coming, it means no any integer will get between this equivalent rational number. Change in higher rational number, then we get multiply by 10 with 8 and 12, 80 by 120 and 90 by 120. Then also I not get required number of rational number. You multiply by 2 with 80, then coming 160 into 120 into 2, 240 and other rational number change in bigger equivalent rational number, that is 180 by 240. Count the rational number, count the integers between 60 and 160 and 180, that is 161, 62, 63 and so on. That is the 10 rational number between these given rational numbers. Now see 10th question. What should be subtracted from minus 4 by 9 to get the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 11? Sure. Question number 10. Given what should be subtracted from minus 4 by 9 to get the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 11. Multiplicative inverse of 4 by 11 is equal to 11 by 4. It means what number should be subtracted from minus 4 by x to get this 11 by 4? By question, it is saying that what number subtract, let that number is upright. Let we subtract ex, then by question minus 4 by 9 minus x is equal to 11 by 4, that gives equal to the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 11. So solve this question, that is minus 4 by 11 transpose this left side, minus 11 by 4 is equal to x. This way you find the value of x. X is equal to LCM of 9 for 36. 36 divided by 9 coming 4 multiply with minus 4. 4 into minus 4. 4 multiply this. Minus 4 into 4 minus 11 into 9 is equal to minus 16 minus 99 divided by 36 is equal to, read this, minus 115 divided by 36. Cut this number is cutting. This is the number when you subtract from minus 9 by this, minus 9, 4 by 9, then we get multiplicative inverse of 4 by 11, which is equal to 11 by 4. If you want to check, then check it also. You can check this answer. Now, this is okay, boys. Now see, next question, what should be multiplied with 4 by 7 plus 3 by 9 to get the additive inverse of minus 5 by 3 plus 7 by 8. So, see, question number 11. Simplify this number first. 4 by 7 plus 3 by 9 is equal to see, LCM coming 63, 63 divided by 7, quotient coming 9, 9 multiplied 4, 36. 63 divided by 9, quotient coming 7 multiplied by 3, 20. Edit. Then 7, 1 and 6, 7, 2 and 5, 2 and 3, 5 by 63. And Simplify second number, second fraction. Second division, minus 5 by 3 plus 7 by 8. LCM coming 24. Then minus 5 into 8 plus 3 into 7 is equal to minus 40 plus 21 by 24 is equal to minus 19 by 24. Asking here, what number should we multiply by this to get multiplicative inverse of this? Multiplicative inverse of minus 19 by 24 is equal to converse of this 1 divided by this number minus 19 by 24 is equal to 1 into minus 24 by 19 is equal to minus 24 by 19. This is the multiplicative inverse of this number. Here question is that what should multiply? What should you multiply by this number to get this number? Then suppose we multiply by Ex, then by question 57 by 63 into X is equal to coming minus 24 by 90. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 3 plus 7 by 8, that is coming minus 19 by 24, which is whose multiplicative inverse is minus 24 by 90. Hence, X is equal to minus 24 by 90 into 63 by 57. Multiply and write the product. 24 into 63 to 24 and 1 25, and then 6, and here coming 12, 2 1 4 and 1 5 1. Again check it. 4 multiply by 3 12, 24 and 1 25, 6 and 12 8. This 2 and this is 11. This is 4 and 5. This is coming minus 1 5 112 divided by 57 multiplied by 19. 9 7 ja 63, carry 6, 45 and 6 51, 45 and 6 51, and then 7 5 3 8 coming 1083. This is the number. When multiply with this number, we get the multiplicative inverse of minus 19 by 24, which is 24 by 90. Now we see boys, question number some more question also you see. 13 question see. I ate 2 by 7 of the packet of toffee on Monday and 3 by 11 of the packet on Tuesday. What fraction of toffee are left in the packet? See. See question. Let I ate 2/7 of the packet of the toffee on the Monday and 3/11 of the packet of Tuesday. What fraction of toffee are left in the packet? So left 8, question number 13. Eight pot of toffees on Monday and Tuesday is equal to 2/7 plus 3/11. This much pot of the toffee eaten on 2 days, eaten right? Eaten pot of toffee on these 2 days is this much, that is 22 plus 21/77, 43/77. This much pot of the toffee eaten. Asking what fraction of toffee are left in the packet. Then pot of toffees left in packet is equal to 1 minus 43/77 is equal to 77 minus 43/77. Subtract it. Here is coming 7 minus 3 is 4 and 7 minus 4 is 3/77. This much part of the toffee left in the pocket. Now see, if fighter plane cover 490 kilometer in one whole 3/4 hours, how much distance if it will cover in 4 whole 3/7 hours? This is a use the unity method, and I think you can do it. See this question also. See question number 14. In one whole 3/4 hours, distance covered by plane, fighter plane, is equal to 490 kilometers. First you change into mixed fraction, improper fraction, 7/4 hours. It means in 7/4 hours, left, complete or left,